Hi, Bruno here. Welcome to Spainguru. Is it possible to switch from a Spanish non-lucrative visa to a student visa or a digital nomad visa while in Spain? Now let's see the answers of Spainguru community members. Student probably, but not the digital nomad visa. One claims you don't or have any income from work, while the other would be claiming you work, make income. So it would be like getting caught in a lie essentially. For the digital nomad visa, you have to show history of present and past income. And this is a gray area too. We don't have any cases, so I wouldn't agree yet with these Spainguru community members. But let's see. Next, the requirements of the digital nomad visa are such that no, you couldn't. For the digital nomad visa, you cannot have lived in Spain in the past 5 years. This is absolutely not true. You could have lived in Spain in the past 5 years. What you can't is to access the special tax regime called Beckham Law to pay 24% tax rate. This is what you wouldn't be eligible to, but you can actually apply for the digital nomad visa if you were resident in Spain. That's not a problem. Let's continue with the answer. And you have to show employment over the past several months or a year or something. I don't know about the student visa. Okay, let's not pay attention too much to this answer. Next one. The 5-year requirement of the digital nomad visa is to be eligible for the tax incentive, Beckham Law, as we said, and not necessarily for the visa itself. It remains to be seen if non-lucrative visa holders can successfully switch, and I post the digital nomad visa is there precisely so that non-lucrative visa holders who have been working remotely can switch. This is a very accurate answer, but of course we don't know the future and there's so many questions unanswered yet. Let's see the next answer. Non-lucrative visa allows you rights to study and reside, so why would they change to a student visa where their time in the country doesn't count for citizenship and student visas are limited to course length, whereas non-lucrative visa is annual or biannual on renewal? Why would you switch from a non-lucrative visa, which gives you right to study anyway and count towards citizenship, whereas student visa still lists you as a resident in your home country? And that's absolutely correct. Those questions are very realistic. Next one, as for digital nomad visa, how do you show you've been employed previously before applying, since a non-lucrative visa doesn't allow you to work? But you can change from a non-lucrative visa to a work visa, etc. before commencing work, after having been resident for over 12 months. Next answer. I feel like switch from non-lucrative visa to a student visa wouldn't be a problem, but the non-lucrative visa to a digital nomad visa switch is more questionable. If I had to guess based off what I've seen and I read, I think that it actually might be okay. Based off the most recent tax plan for 2023 by Hacienda or IRS in Spain, it seems that Hacienda knows a lot of people work here remotely, especially on non-lucrative visa, but aren't paying taxes in Spain. The DNV is a great way to give people a lower tax rate and keep the tax money in Spain. Applying for the switch would be kind of like admitting you were breaking the rules, but the government will be happy because the money will now be going to them, so they will allow it. Again, this is all based off my personal opinion. You can become part of our Spainguru community today by joining our Facebook groups. Our most important group is the Spain Immigration and Residency Questions group, with over 17,000 members. We also have dedicated groups for Spanish non-lucrative visas with more than 2,300 members, and for the Spanish Digital Nomad Visa with 2,000 members. And if you need expert professional advice, we've got you covered. Just head to spainguru.es and check out our top menu. You'll find immigration experts, relocation agencies, tax advisors for Spanish and US filings, sworn translators, apostille services, and health insurance providers for all types of Spanish visa applications and renewals. That includes non-lucrative visas, golden visas, student visas, and digital nomad visas, as well as medical certificates for visa applications and travel insurances. Finally, I highly recommend you join our weekly newsletter, which we send out every single Monday morning. You'll get tons of information, questions and answers, featured blog posts, and even news updates. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.